काँग्रेसीचे कांय आमदार आपल्या मतदारसंघातल्यो समस्या घेवन मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर सावंताक मेळ्ळे। तशेंच मंत्री जेन्ना एखाद्या भागांत भेट दिता तेन्ना थंयच्या विरोधी पक्षाच्या आमदाराक कळयनात म्हूण कागाळ आशिल्ली। ह्या विशीं मुखेलमंत्र्याक प्रतिनिधी मंडळान सांगलें। मुखेलमंत्र्यान हाचेर लक्ष घालता म्हूण सांगला अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी मायकल लोबोन सांगला। RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Today, some of the Congress MLAs have met the Chief Minister regarding some issues faced by them in their constituencies. The monsoons have arrived and there were some problems about some panchayat girls leaking in Betul. There was some another problem of some nalla getting collapsed. So all these issues were discussed with the CM, and CM has directed the officers to take up all these works on top priority. Secondly, some issues were there that when ministers or government officers come in their respective constituencies, the MLAs are not informed. So this situation was never there earlier. So we have informed the Chief Minister that he should tell his ministers and also government officers that the MLA should be well informed first only, like at least 1 or 2 days prior notice should be given that there is a particular government function or there is particular thing happening in the constituency and the MLA has to be present for that. So that particular issue also was discussed with the CM, and he has obliged and said that he will direct all the ministers and also all the government officers to follow protocol.